Welcome back to the channel. Let's dive into the Echo Sounder transducer. It is a primary navigational tool. It uses sonar to measure the depth of water beneath the keel, providing vital information to prevent grounding. The heart of this system is the transducer, a device that transmits acoustic pulses into the water and listens for the returning echoes. Since the transducer must be in direct contact with the sea to function, its location and accessibility are highly engineered parts of the ship's structure. The transducer is typically housed in a dedicated compartment near the keel, usually toward the forward part of the ship, where air bubbles from the hull or propeller noise are minimized. This placement ensures the clearest possible acoustic signal. But here's the catch. Transducers are delicate electronic instruments that sometimes require inspection, cleaning, or replacement. You can't just send a diver down every time. That's expensive and often impossible while at sea or in busy ports. This is why ships are fitted with specialized transducer access arrangements. The most common and most critical access method involves a component called a gate valve or a seacock, fitted within a sea chest or a dedicated housing unit. The transducer is not simply glued to the hull. It's mounted on a sturdy fitting that can be retracted or removed from inside the vessel. This is done without letting the sea flood the ship. This whole assembly is often referred to as a retractable transducer unit. The process of accessing the transducer involves carefully isolating it from the sea. The unit is slowly drawn up into its housing using a manual winch or a specialized mechanical screw mechanism. Once fully retracted, the heavy-duty gate valve positioned below the transducer is closed, sealing the opening in the ship's hull. It's an incredibly important valve, sometimes even a double valve system, as it's the only thing preventing a major flood. Only after this valve is confirmed to be fully and tightly sealed can the technician open the top access cover and safely remove the transducer for maintenance or repair, all while the ship remains afloat. Visible sections for the crew and surveyors are the housing unit itself, the valve operating gear, the handles or actuators, and the inspection flange or cover plate at the top. The housing unit must be robust, often made of thick steel plate, and the operating mechanism for the retraction and the valve must be clearly labeled and well maintained. Regular testing of this access mechanism is mandatory, ensuring that this crucial piece of navigational equipment can be serviced quickly and safely, preserving both the function of the echo sounder and the safety of the vessel. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.